Hey Beauty Pros, I'm JLadner.
And I'm Ali the artist.
And today we're spilling the tea on the latest Calura Gloss collection. Calura Gloss is an exceptional semi-permanent liquid hair color. The innovation is a water-based formula with an alkaline buffer, allowing you to have high shine and longevity. Take your efficiency to new heights with processing time of 3 to 10 minutes. Oh my God, she's blonde AF. For clients, they get a high shine, low commitment color that fades on tone and keeps their hair looking healthy and radiant between appointments. Whether you're toning highlights, refreshing color, or creating bespoke dimensional blends, these shades give you endless versatility and customization. Trust me, your clients will thank you when they're glowing like golden hour. Slay the house down boots.